question says there is a regular pentagon, the side given is 20 mm. Now this plane is supposedly perpendicular to both the reference plane. Now if you remember, we had discussed this in the Jamboard earlier. Like suppose if there is two reference plane, one you have it like this and the other you have it like this, and then probably you have a plane which is perpendicular, say you have a plane like this which is perpendicular to both HP and to VP. Now here also the condition is same, only thing is that the plane we are concerned with is a pentagon. So you have here a pentagon like this. Okay. Now this pentagon is perpendicular. If you draw a line here and here, you will find that angle. This line pentagon is perpendicular to VP, and here also if you see, it is perpendicular to HP. Now how do we find the projection? Since you see, first of all you need to see, extremely sorry. Now what will come in the projection? Projection of this pentagon. Can you say me? Now in projection of this pentagon in VP, it will be a line, and on HP again it will be a line. But these lines, how long they should be? What should be the length of this line? How can you determine it? So this cannot be determined directly either on VP and HP, because you have a pentagon, a figure where how will you ascertain what is the height from here to here? So for that, what do you actually need? You need another plane somewhere here on the other axis, where you can take the projection of the pentagon first. You first take the projection of the pentagon there on the other plane, such that you draw the pentagon here first. Okay, and after having drawn the pentagon, somewhere here, having drawn the pentagon here first on this other plane, then we transfer the heights to this plane and to this plane. So this plane on which we take the projection, this is known as auxiliary plane. Auxiliary means helper. So this is known as AP. So if these planes, you know by now that these planes are opening like this, how does this plane open? It also opens like this. Along with the VP, it will open horizontally like this. Or maybe with HP, it can open here also, wherever. So we usually by now, we open it along with the VP. And then you take the projection on back from the auxiliary plane to VP and to HP. Okay. Now let us draw the thing on 2D. So first of all, you have this reference line. So first of all, we draw the XY reference line, and we will draw another reference line, and we can call it, say, Y and Y dash, representing this Y axis. Okay, this is representing X axis, so X dash, this is Y dash. Okay. So here is your VP, this is HP, and this plane on the side, we call it as this one. This plane has opened up, and we call it, this is AP, auxiliary plane. So first of all, now we draw this pentagon figure here. Okay, so we take projection of the pentagon somewhere here and we draw the pentagon. Let us draw the pentagon. It can be along with this line, it can be above, anywhere you place it, does not matter much. So I am placing it here. So this can be your pentagon. Let us name it A, B, C, D and E. All dashed. Okay. So now you have to draw this pentagon here as well as here. That is on the elevation and the plane. So it is very simple how to draw it. For elevation we take this pentagon, we take projection from the auxiliary plane. That is, you are bringing the projection, you are taking the projection like this and transferring it to vertical plane. So we take this projection simply straight. A and B will coincide, C and point E will coincide, and point D will be here. Okay. Now anywhere here you draw a vertical line. Wherever it intersects, this is our pentagon. So here also you are looking from this side. So B will be above A. So this point can be named as B by A. This will be C by E. And this will be D. This is required projection of the pentagon on the vertical plane. Now for the horizontal plane, what you need to do, you have to transfer these points first of all to this axis line, reference line. We start with A, we transfer A, we transfer B, then we transfer C, transfer D, lastly we transfer E. Now you need to transfer all these points to this. How do you do it? These points are in 90 degree to each other. So you either take a compass, center it at this point, take the radius, you transfer it like this. Each point will get transferred to the HP. Here again it will be straight. Now from here you take the projection down. So wherever it intersects, this from here to here, this will be your pentagon. Now you have to name the point. This is A. No, this is E. E. The second point is A. This point, topmost point is D. This is B. And this is C. So this is the required projection of the pentagon, which is vertical to perpendicular to both the horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this is done. Measurement of the pentagon will be written here on the auxiliary plane. This is side 20 mm. So this solves problem 5.